Well, good morning. We're packing up. Of course, we come with. Of course, welcome to the Bike Door channel. I wrote that intro. Of course, we leave with more stuff we came. How come my clothes that we wear up here is more clothes than we go home with? I don't pack up the same. Yeah. Yeah, it's another sunny day. The trailer convention is about ready to leave. Ain't as many as it was. Maurice and them done left. Nick Motor's done. Jersey Nick's done left. Papa Biker, I'm glad he got to come. And none of Grayson loaded theirs up. They got to go all the way to Mexico, Texas, border town. Remember who runs Border Town? Master. Alright, folks, I hope hello, yep. Alright, we're leaving before everybody else did. Actually, we're leaving before Nona Grace and them. Alright. So, go home, baby. Bye-bye. It says 385 miles, but that's not the way we're going. The black trailer is the way we know. Oh, me. So we are leaving today as well. Whew, shoot fire, shoot that thing. Shoot fire, save matches. Just before we go any farther, we ought never come down here to Bulldog Eatery and have some ice cream. Time and temperature check, 8:02. We ahead of schedule. And the elevation is 2467. We are higher than Mount Cheehaw, the high place. Start calling this Cheehaw. And it's 66.2 degrees. We'll see you when we get down the road a piece. I'm not going to record much. It's just all interstate, just about 4 lanes and interstate, unless something happens or we change to do something. We stopped, I don't know where we at. At a Shell station. First stop of the day. Another almost $40. Whew. I don't know. I ain't keep up with. Oh, yeah. We spent a lot more on gas than we have on food. $157 miles on that tank. Got us riding around, putting around. But I went all the way out. Alright, let's go. I believe this little town's called Lebanon, I guess. We're going to ride the Trail of Lonesome Prairie. Yeah. In about 8-9 miles. Oh, me. green red light. I should have jumped. I don't know. Little small town. Oh, look at that. They got their own patio deal. There's Autumn Cafe now open. And air duct system cleaning and Russell's movie theater, and Signal 3 is not going to work and let us go through. It's going to hold us, and there's a soldier, and they give them a turning lane. There ain't nobody turning. Lebanon. It's one of the ones that's on a timer deal, I think. You know, it's got to run its little cycle. Stop us from hoping somebody running, I guess, because bit small town, you know. Get fancy, boutique, something, family drugstore, and Lebanon, Virginia. We rolling into Nicholasville. That was the Heritage Square back there. There was what, I don't know what it was. That's Nicholas Methodist Church, I believe it was. This is the Baptist Church. Yep, First Baptist. And we got a bridge, school thingy, and a pizza plus. Plus what? Plus whatever they want to outsell. And I believe that, well, there's Twin Springs going that way. And we are kind of taking a scenic route home, kind of. We never been this way, so new adventure. Beats probably beat, because I think we'll cut out like 40 something miles of interstate. So win-win. We another curve. That's what it. This whole road's been like this, but more kudzu on the right and the left. I had to say it, but Virginia is probably one of the most beautiful states I've been in for what it has. Alright, another small town. Gate City. Gate, G-A-T-E, Gate City. That's the First Baptist Church of Gate City. Coming in on downtown Gate City. Gate. Mr. Gate lives here. We don't go through downtown, I guess. Pretty downtown like any other downtown. Come on, people, turn. Davy Crockett, home of the funk from two. Davy killed his first bear when he was 5. Davy Crockett. Well, hello. I don't know what you can hear or what you can't, because it's hot. Well, we, another film in the books, and we almost home from BAM 24. It's got up to like 98 right now at 350. Said we'd be home by 4 o'clock. If it hadn't been for having to stop for every 50 miles so she could wee, we'd be home sooner. And a couple of times we stopped just to rehydrate. It's been hot. I see it was hot. It's hot. Yeah, I got some stuff I want to talk about. We'll talk about a topic when we topic of BAM and how they improve it. I think this was the best year ever. It was the driest, we can say that. It wasn't not hot. It was hot when you standing in the sun. I think the high was like 88, maybe got up to 90, 91 or 2. Somewhere along in there, 1 or 2 days. But man, it was pretty all week. And things went off without a kick. I think it was a successful, what you call it? Door prizes. People bought a lot of door prizes, and then they went over good, and my awards went over good. Roaded father saws motos. He went like over 3,000 miles to get the van. He got the big award. And you had to watch over Ed Gregory to see why he got the dang it. And Motorbomb was, because there was like 3 or 4 that was the first time there, and he picked the right number and got the VAM 24, I don't know what you call it, the VAM 24 reward for being the first time participant in it. So hey, this is our road we turn on. Whew, I tell you it was hot. Let's see. Whew. I got 73 miles left on that tank of gas. 1,192 miles when we end right up here at 2 miles. Whew. That was a Dragonweek done. So go check out that video right about there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next year at BAM. Later, bye. Bye.